viewers, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Viewers, today I'm going to teach you a very important topic, and that is agreement and disagreement. If you like to agree with someone's opinion, what you will say, and if you disagree with someone's opinion, what you will say. If somebody says in front of you that I like Chinese food, if you also like Chinese food, you will say, so do I. So do I. So do I means I also like that. If somebody says that I like Thai food, then you want to disagree with that person. So you will say, but I don't. It's not necessary to be agreed with someone. If you like it, you will say, so do I. But if you don't like it, you have your own choice. You will say, but I don't. Let me give you some more examples so that your concept will be cleared. If someone says that I watch TV, and if you also watch TV, you will say, so do I. It means I also watch TV. And if someone says that I love listening music, and if you also love listening music, you will say, so do I. Remember, here you are using so do I because the person in front of you is using first form of verb. Person is telling about his choice in present tense. If he says, I watched earlier this movie, so you can say, so did I. So did I. It means I also watched it. But if you did not watch it, so this is the past tense, you will say, but I didn't. It means you did not watch that movie. Similarly, same formula will go for the future tense. For example, I'll go to watch this movie. And if you will also go to watch that movie, you will say, so will I. It means I will also. But if somebody does not like that actor, so he or she can say, but I won't. It means I will not go to watch that movie. Got it? Now, let me tell you that how you can agree with someone on the negative sentences. I don't like Tom Cruise. And if you also don't like Tom Cruise, so you can say, neither do I. Neither do I means I also don't like him. Same formula will go for the past tense. How you can use it? Let me give you some examples. If somebody says, I didn't go to that place, and if you also didn't go to that place, you will say, neither did I. It means I also didn't go. Okay? I hope you are getting what I am trying to teach you. Same will go for the future. How you can agree with someone on the negative sentence. If somebody says, I will not vote that corrupt politician, if you also will not vote that corrupt politician, so you will say, neither will I. It means I will also not vote for that corrupt politician. But if anyone wants to be against of it, he or she simply can say, but I will. So I hope that is very much clear to you that in positive sentence you have to add so plus do plus subject, so do I, and in past tense you will simply say so did I, and in future you will say so will I. But in negative, if you are agreeing with someone, yeah, I also don't like that, so you will say neither do I. If you want to use same formula for past, you will say neither did I. And for the future, you can say neither will I. And if you want to go against, you will simply use but over there and you can say but I will, but I did, but I do. Now let's go for modal verb. Here you can also use the same thing, like you can show your agreement and disagreement. Okay, like if somebody says that I can drive a car, if you also can drive a car, simply you will say so can I. But if you cannot drive a car, so you will say but I can't, but I can't. If somebody says that I can't speak English well, If you also think that you cannot speak English well, so you will say neither can I. Neither can I. It means I also cannot speak English well. But if somebody speaks English well, so he or she can say, but I can. So I hope this is very much clear to you. It can go with all modal verbs and with all tenses. That is very simple. If you are agreeing with someone, you have to use so in the beginning and you have to see in which tense somebody is showing interest. Accordingly, you will use the formula. If someone is showing disliking, so you will start with neither and which tense is being used there, present tense, past tense, future tense, or modal verb. Simply you can go in that tense and then at the end you can use subject I over there. I hope you would have found this video useful. Now here are some statements. Read it well and tell me about your choice. That's so do I or neither do I. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.